A very warm welcome to one of our prettiest actresses we have in Bollywood, and also a super talented actress who I feel the industry is yet to explore her potential fully. Kriti Kharbanda, welcome to Bollywood Live. I'm Russell De Silva, and it's great to have you over here.
It's so lovely being here, Russell, and thank you for that introduction. I think I'm done. You made my day.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. So, Kriti, diving straight into it, safe to say, I mean, Hindi cinema में तो आपने ऐसा काम नहीं किया, but even given your work in Telugu, Kannada cinema, वहाँ पे तो आपने काफी काम किया. I don't think so. You have done a project like Tesh till date, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, तो इसमें
I haven't had the opportunity.
Yes, तो इसमें जो भी अलग है आप हमें बताइए, हमारे दर्शकों के लिए बताइए. बहुत ही अलग लग रहा है.
I think मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि लोग actually notice कर रहे हैं कि कुछ अलग है. A lot of my I don't like the term fans, but there are like certain fan pages that have been made, and
Very
there
good.
are people who genuinely ardently. नहीं यार, see मैं मानती हूँ. In fact, I'm very grateful. I know they're there and they're always here to support me, come what may. But the truth is, it feels a little overwhelming sometimes. That's all. It's nothing more than that. But having said that, they are such a big driving force and such a big support, and honestly, some of my best critics, where they tell me very honestly what they like and what they don't like about me in a film. Ever since the first look of Tesh came out, the teaser, the trailer, the posters, and now the songs, the couple of songs that are out, like people have genuinely messaged me and they have said that there is something very different about you in this movie. Like, you don't even look like yourself, you look like someone else, and that is a very big compliment for an actor. Okay, not just in terms of acting and behaving like a certain character, but you start looking that character after a point, and that is a very big deal. uh, and I think the entire credit would have to go to the entire team, because not one person has made this character. If it is Bijoy Nambiar's vision, there is a big team that went into making Arfa Khan and helping me become Arfa Khan. And I'm very proud of myself. I don't know what else to say. I'm not going to be modest on that front, but I am genuinely very proud of myself. And I think I'm very happy with the kind of response we've got. Most people did not ever think that they would see me in an avatar like this, or see me in a film that is slightly more serious than what I have done before, especially after Shadi Mein Zaroor Aana and Houseful. A lot of people didn't expect I would be doing something like this, and I'm glad that I broke that norm, and I'm glad that I challenged myself and did something new.
So safe to say, ये अब तक की it's your most challenging role, most demanding role as a performer.
It would be actually incorrect to say that. I personally felt I challenged myself as an actor, because, of course, every actor enjoys that challenge and wants to break out of their comfort zone. Of course, that was a challenge, but there was no difficulty in this challenge in terms of I had a very clear vision. I had a director who has a very clear vision, and he knows exactly what he expects from his actors and his characters. Because of his clarity towards this character, and जो उन्होंने मेरे साथ put up करा है ना मेरे 1000 questions के साथ, क्योंकि मेरे तो सवाल ही नहीं खत्म होते हैं किसी भी character को लेकर. The fact that he was able to handle me through that and then give me a very clear direction in terms of what he wanted is why we've been able to achieve Arfa Khan. To be very honest, I have to give that credit to Bijoy.
That is true. Now, thriller is a genre in Hindi cinema that has been done pretty well, right from the days of Shami Kapoor and Dev Anand,
Right.
तीसरी मंजिल, काफी अच्छे थे, वो कौन थी?
जी.
हम आपसे पूछेंगे as an audience, okay, as a fan of Hindi cinema, which thrillers have been close to your heart? But which would they be?
See, for me, there is one thriller that I have never been able to get out of my mind, and I've always maintained that that's a character I would love to play, which is Sriram Raghavan sir's Ek Hasina Thi, which starred Urmila Matondkar and Saif Ali Khan. That has been one of my most favorite movies. Again, along with Bijoy, of course. Every actor has their bucket list of directors they wish and hope to work with at some point in their lives. And Sriram Raghavan sir is definitely one of them. And I became his biggest fan after I watched this movie. There's nothing like every actor performed to perfection. Urmila ma'am was outstanding in the film, and I became such a big fan. I was always a fan, but I became an even bigger fan. And I think, you know, when you see her choreograph also, she is a completely commercial actress.
Yes.
And she had done films where she, you know, she oozes energy, and she oozes oozes sexiness, she oozes cuteness. She could play every character, like when you see her in Rangila, and then when you see her in Ek Hasina Thi, it inspires you as an actor कि वो अगर ये दोनों चीजें कर सकती हैं, आपको भी आना चाहिए, आप भी कर पाओ. So for me, when I see myself in a Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana, and then I see myself in a Houseful, and then I see myself in a Tesh, for me as an actor, it is a very satisfying journey, and it is a career graph I'm very proud of. So I think that is something that I got from that film. I was very young when I watched it. My parents didn't want me to watch it because it was a thriller and I was very young. But the honest truth is, that's a film. Yeah.
Yeah.
And at that point, I didn't know that I would want to be an actor. For me, at that age, to know that it's a Sriram Raghavan film was a very big deal. So that's when I knew, the day I became an actor, that he's someone I definitely want to work with. And I'm hoping that I get that chance in the future. But I'm really glad that Bijoy saw that side of me, and he decided that, okay, let's do this, because it's basically Bijoy. A lot of people don't know this, because even I didn't know this. But when I did Karwa, Bijoy is the reason I did Karwa. He recommended my name, and he didn't even know me at that point.
Oh.
He had seen some of my work, and he recommended to the director, okay, you know, I think she has potential, and I think you should maybe cast her in this role, and you never know. She might just do it. And when I heard the script of Karwa, I loved it. And I decided that if not a big part of the film, at least if I can be a small part of such an amazing movie, I want to be a part of it. And Bijoy and I used to stay in the same building, and we were riding in the lift together. And he looked at me and he said, you know, you did really well in Karwa. I really liked you there. So I was like, oh, thank you. That's so kind. And I've never told any director, like, to their face, कि sir, मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है. But Bijoy, because he complimented me, I took the opportunity and I told Bijoy that, you know, I would love to work with you. So he smiled and he said, you know, I've been wanting to work with you, and I'm the reason I recommended your name for Karwa. So I was really taken aback. So I was like, okay. And I said, sir, I would love to work with you. So he said, I never thought that you might want to. I mean, I don't know if it's a perception, or because I was doing different cinema than what he would make, he assumed that I wouldn't do it or I wouldn't want to work with him. But that's when we first spoke about Tesh, and he was still writing. He was still in the process of writing. So he said, मेरे पास कुछ है, but I will call you for this. And 6-8 महीने निकल गए, and there was no call after that or anything. So I assumed कि वो बस बातों बातों में बोल लिया होगा. But cut to about a year later, we met in the building again, and he said, "Kab do narration?" And we met downstairs in the public area, by the pool, and he narrated Tesh to me, and I was on board in 24 hours, because I wanted to work with Bijoy Nambiar, and the world that he builds is so beautiful. That man knows storytelling. I love his cinema. So it was basically, everything happened to me by chance and by luck, and of course hard work. But this was my journey of Tesh. This is how Tesh happened to me.
आप उर्मिला की इतनी बड़ी फैन हो, and someone other, this is your own Rangila story, you could say.
Yeah, this is my own.
Yes, this is your own Rangila
yeah,
story.
well, I have done that. I mean, I have very rarely messaged people and said, "Sir, I would like to work with you." But here, there was a man who I admired as a director, and so easy to talk to, and I didn't feel like I had to hold back my emotions. So I told him what I felt, and see, Tesh happened to me because I opened my mouth.
Yes.
So I'm hoping that more people take that chance and approach me for roles that will challenge me.
I'm sure after Tesh they would do. You do these kind of projects, and obviously they're very satisfying as an artist. At the same time, how important it is when you are per se, obviously a commercial film actress also, how important it is for a movie like Houseful to happen in your career, where you reach masses at large, and शायद जो लोग शायद कारवां नहीं देखेंगे, कि जिन्होंने शायद शादी में जरूर आना नहीं देखेंगे, वो फिल्म तो अभी कल फिल्म बन गई है. तो for that, how important is Houseful 4 in your career?
Houseful 4 is important in my career irrespective of anything else. The same way Tesh is important in my career irrespective of everything else. Commercial success is very, very important. Commercial viability is very, very important. But I think commercial success, jitni bhi important hoye, it is very important for an actor to not lose their own uh, ground. I came here to be an actor. There were a lot of things that were added to my kitty. I have never actively gone and tried to attract work towards myself. Like Houseful happened to me because Shadi Mein Zaroor Aana happened to me. Nadiadwala sir had called me soon after Shadi, and he said, I watched your film and I think you were brilliant. And you never know, we're working on Houseful 4, it might just happen. And I signed Houseful 4 6 months later. It wasn't immediately. So it's not that, I mean, I'm very grateful for all the films that have happened to me in my career, whether they've done well commercially or not. But the honest truth is, yeah, your creative satisfaction na, as a human being, that is the most important. क्योंकि आप अगर आप खुश नहीं हो ना अपने काम से, तो आप perform भी नहीं कर सकते हो. It will never satisfy you. You will be happy to give up on your career also at that point.
Okay.
So for me, it has to be a balance. It has to be a balance. It is not कि Houseful 4 है तो तैश के मायने कम हो गए हैं या तैश है तो Houseful 4 के मायने कम हो गए. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है.
True, and that's the way it should be. How much was your journey into Bollywood to get that? I think Shadi Mein Zaroor Aana was that first big break. So how difficult it was to get that, because उसके पहले आपने बहुत सारी साउथ फिल्में की थी. I think कन्नड़ and Telugu में आपका काफी काम है, and you have worked with some of the big names, big production houses over there. So was that entry into Bollywood quite difficult before that?
No.
No.
Honestly, no.
Okay, so you were getting that.
My journey is my journey. No, it's because I've never actively looked at it that way कि मुझे ये अगर आप स्ट्रगल को स्ट्रगल के जैसे ट्रीट करोगे आप स्ट्रगल ही करोगे. अगर आप ग्रोथ को ग्रोथ के जैसे ट्रीट करोगे आप ग्रो ही करोगे. पर ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का डिफरेंस है, नजरिए का फर्क है. किसी और को वो शायद स्ट्रगल लगे या डिफिकल्टी लगे. फॉर मी इट्स अ चैलेंज इन ग्रोथ. चैलेंजेस एक्साइट मी, ग्रोथ एक्साइट्स मी. तो आइडिया इज कि कोई आपको किसी तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर रहा है कुछ, आप उसको कैसे परसीव कर रहे हो. सो फॉर मी इट हैज नेवर बीन डिफिकल्ट. नो, जितनी डिफिकल्टी एक नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी होती वही है. मैं काम कर रही हूँ, कभी कभी आपको वो काम मिल जाता है जो आपको चाहिए, कभी कभी आप मजबूरी में भी काम करते हो. लेकिन यू कांट रिग्रेट एनीथिंग दैट यू डन और यू हैड. रिग्रेट तब होता है जब आपकी ना मजबूरी थी ना कुछ और आपने लालच में काम कर लिया. फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर मी, मैंने लालच में कभी काम नहीं करा. आई हैव बीन वेरी फोकस्ड अबाउट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, व्हाट आई डोंट वांट टू डू. Everything in my life has been a very conscious decision. Like, things have happened to me by chance. I became an actor by chance. But the honest truth is, I wouldn't have become an actor by chance also if I didn't make that choice for myself. अगर वो मैं choose नहीं करती path, it would have been very easy to not choose that path. The day I chose that path, then all my decisions became my responsibility. So it didn't matter. मेरे को तो in fact मजा आया because I experienced every industry while I was there. Like when I was a part of the Telugu industry and when I started off in the Telugu industry, मैंने वो experience करा है, where I worked with some of the biggest names, with some of the biggest directors. Again, in Kannada, I saw success that I had never seen before. In Kannada cinema, the kind of love I received, I don't think I've ever got it anywhere else. And I'll be indebted to them for that for the rest of my life.
आपको अभी भी मिलता है
Same way.
Yeah.
हाँ वही तो. I think there are certain an actor का सबसे बड़ा achievement होता है when they are known by their character names. For me, I know when I step into the Telugu industry or when I go to Hyderabad and when I, interact with fans on social media who are from Andhra, they call me Basumati because that's a character that went down in history for them. Same way in Kannada, Swati became an iconic character. In Hindi, Aarti Shukla became an iconic character. I'm hoping now Arfa Khan does. So, यार काफी lucky रही हूँ मैं तो. मेरे हिसाब से it's not been difficult at all. It's been amazing. It's been the best journey. I couldn't have asked for it to be better. अगर कुछ भी चेंजेस होते मेरी पास में तो मेरी लाइफ आज जैसी है वैसी नहीं होती. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद माय लाइफ टुडे. सो आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग.
अच्छा, आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी में है कोई, मैं पर्सनली मुझे तो शादी में जरूर आना कुछ ज्यादा ही पसंद है, लेकिन आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी में है ऐसी कोई फिल्म जो आपके दिल के सबसे करीब हो?
आई थिंक गूगली फ्रॉम that was a film that I did in Kannada with Yash, जो KGF के स्टार हैं, and Pawan Vadiyar, who is one of the most brilliant directors, and he was all of 24. We were the same age when we shot the film, and he was making his debut as a director. He gave me the role of Dr. Swati, and I am so grateful for that role and that character. It changed so many things for me in my life, and I hope that if they ever make Googly in Hindi, I hope I get to play that character again.
That's a no-brainer. Why would they cast anyone besides you?
Well, I'm hoping that they cast me. You never know. We have some brilliant actresses here. Why not? I mean,
We do.
yeah.
But yeah, I'm sure they would consider you. When you are coming, I think so. This is why you're going to maintain the balance also, because if I'm not mistaken, आपकी एक South film भी है आपके upcoming projects में से. So I think
G.
of that love here, and because of the satisfaction in an artist, we're going to see you keep maintaining that balance regardless the industry, as long as it's a good project, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very important to understand कि दुनिया के नजर में हम इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, एंड इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि हम खुद के घर में दरारें लाके बोलते हैं ये यहाँ की है, ये वहाँ की है, यहाँ की है. Like Tollywood, Sandalwood, Bollywood. I don't get it. For me, I'm a part of the Indian film fraternity. And if there is a script that excites me, irrespective of the language, I want to do it. और ये कॉन्शियस नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं कॉन्शियसली कहती हूँ कि नहीं अब मुझे यही करना है और मुझे अभी वही करना है. आई गो विद द फ्लो. मेरे जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई स्टार्ट शूटिंग 14 फेरे अभी. उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है is going to be dependent on what comes to me. I will only choose from जो मेरे पास जो काम आएगा मैं उसमें से चूज करूंगी. कभी कभी आपके पास बहुत अच्छा काम आ जाता है, कभी कभी not so great, but then you have to keep your career going, you have to keep your house running, you have to keep working. You make certain choices, but again that is up to me, that is my decision and I make it. But वो खुद का बैलेंस रखने के लिए भी बहुत जरूरी होता है. जब आप कोई ऐसा जॉब करते हो जिसमें आपको वो खुशी नहीं मिल रही लेकिन पैसा बहुत मिल रहा है, आप घर जाते हो, आप चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हो. फॉर सम पीपल इट डजंट मैटर. आपका मोटिव क्या है काम करने का, उस पर डिपेंड करता है. इफ यू आर इन इट टू मेक मनी देन दैट विल बी योर ड्राइविंग मोटिवेशन. इफ यू आर इन इट टू लर्न समथिंग देन दैट विल बी योर ड्राइविंग मोटिवेशन. इफ यू आर इन इट टू प्रोग्रेस पर्सनली और प्रोफेशनली देन दैट विल बी योर ड्राइविंग मोटिवेशन. फॉर मी वही है कि मेरा चेंज होता रहता है. कभी कभी आप किसी और रीजन की वजह से काम करते हो, कभी आप किसी और रीजन की वजह से काम करते हो, बट देयर ऑल रीजंस दैट you are responsible for your own decisions.
True. अच्छा, तेज में आपके besides you there is Sangeeta Sheikh, and then there is three guys, Pulkit, Jim Sir, and Harshvardhan Rane. All three very good actors. If I'm not mistaken, you have been paired opposite Jim, right?
Yes, I'm opposite Jim in the film.
Yes, okay. Because I was speaking to Pulkit also the other day, and she was like, he has the romance and I have the bromance with Jim.
अरे खाली ब्रोमांस ही था, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना. ये दोनों लड़के एक दूसरे के अंदर घुस के बातें खीखी खाखा, अलग किट्टी पार्टी चल रही थी इन दोनों की.
Okay, so
हमेशा
विजॉय की तरफ से, because मेरा कभी कभार ऐसा होता है, you know, you'd like to throw a curveball to the audience. ये हमने तभी भी ये 70s 80s के टाइम से आ रहा था. So was it a conscious decision from Vijay because he wanted to cast you opposite Jim and keep and not opposite Pulkit, so that the audience को कुछ एकदम अलग हटके देखने मिले, or was the script that was an organized process of the script?
So Pulkit had signed the film much before I did, and I didn't even know honestly that he was doing the film, very honestly, क्योंकि certain things we don't talk about, like we keep our work to ourselves and we have a different equation. So I think that is very hard to explain to anybody. Having said that, I didn't know that Pulkit was going to be a part of the film. When Vijay narrated the script to me, I didn't know who is in the cast. I didn't know. He didn't tell me कि मैंने किस को sign करा है. ना मुझे पता था कि Jim और Harsh इस movie में. Very honestly, I had no idea. So Vijay reached out to me. He gave me the narration of the script, and he didn't tell me which character he's narrating to me. And what he said, आप बस like एकदम सब कुछ भूल भाल के सुनो आप as a script, and that is something that even I enjoy doing. In fact, even for Houseful, very honestly, I didn't know which character was being narrated to me. I was only narrated like the gist of the script, and I was told, and then they told me what they want from me. That way, it becomes much easier for an actor to judge a script, especially if it's a multi-starrer. क्योंकि नाना करते ह्यूमन इमोशन में सेल्फिशनेस आ ही जाती है. When you're listening to a film which is just a guy and a girl, na, then you know that which character you're listening for. But in an ensemble, it is very hard to decide. It is very hard to know which character you're auditioning for or which character you are being approached for. When Tesh happened to me, I had zero idea who was in the film. Bijoy narrated the script to me. I fell in love with it. I said, I love this. I love the characters that you've narrated to me, and I want to be a part of this. Bhai. मुझे इसका हिस्सा बनना है.
Okay.
Then he said, I want you to play Arfa Khan. So I said, okay, I'm more than happy to. उसके बाद मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ठीक है, अरफा खान तो मैं play कर रही हूँ. Who's playing Rohan? So he said, Jim is playing Rohan, Jim Sarb. I was like, oh, lovely. He had already told me that he had cast Harsh as Pali.
Okay.
So I asked him then, कि Jahan कौन play कर रही है? At that point, Sanjeeda was not on board. Not that I knew of. So he said, we're still auditioning. हम बताएंगे और 3-4 दिन में पता चल जाएगा. I wanted to lock you before you move on with Pagalpanti, क्योंकि मैं Pagalpanti तब shoot कर रही थी. And then I asked him कि Sunny कौन play कर रहा है? And he smiled at me and he said, Pulkit. So Bijoy, Pulkit and I used to stay in the same building. So I went and met Pulkit after that, and I'm like, listen. He's like, what? So I said, I signed Bijoy Nambiar's next. So he started laughing and he's like, I signed Bijoy Nambiar's next. I said, मुझे अभी Bijoy ने बताया. And we both high-fived and we were so excited that we were going to be working with a director that we both wanted to work with. And I think it was a very exciting thing to see that a director has vision beyond someone's personal life. And that's something I admire about Bijoy. So long story short now, I mean, मेरे को पता है मैंने बहुत time लेकर ये answer दिया है, but मेरी journey काफी
highlight है interview का. This is the highlight because this ये trivia है. This people will Google ये trivia बनेगी.
So yeah, that's how Tash happened for both of us, and we both celebrated.
Wow, amazing trivia. Okay, before going, final question is the fan question, because before doing the interview, we put it up on Twitter. We are doing the interview with so and so artist, and fans आ जाते. जो सबसे ज़्यादा जो question पूछता है वो हम आपसे पूछते हैं. ठीक है? So the fan question is, most of your fans जो आप बोलती है कि don't want to say, it's overwhelming, but they are there. Most of your fans want to know is there any possibility of you and Pulkit tying the knot anytime soon?
No.
No. Straight out.
No.
On the face. Okay. No. Fine. We got it. And but yeah, Kriti, genuinely enjoy talking to you, especially the perspective of South, of Bollywood, of signing the projects, about doing Tesh, this lovely trivia. Amazing interview. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much for taking time out.
Thank you, Russell. Thanks a lot.
And I'm so sure that you're going to rock Tesh. So there's no doubt about that. I'm sure you're going to rock Tesh.